snorting lines of Adderall right now? Sounds good.
Dude, you snorting something? Can I have some?
He's either snorting or crying. So. I think he's crying.
Nice sick. Oh. Dude, you gotta... What's going on with that shit, man?
This is allergy season.
He's crying? What the fuck?
Oh!
Yeah. Alright, get out of here, man. Yeah, we don't need this.
No, he's going Super Saiyan, guys. He's
more.
going Super Saiyan.
One more.
Oh, excuse me.
He was getting energy together for a spirit bomb. What the fuck are you doing?
Like, it sounds like he's jerking off while he's sick. Like, that's literally what it sounds like to me.
But like, do you do that when you're jerking off? I don't. Don't breathe like that. That's weird. Why are you moaning? You're not a girl.
Listen, I know tons of dudes that moan when they do that. I don't know why. It freaks me out. It is weird. It freaks me out.
But nothing wrong with that. He's goose, Mike. He's goose. He's staying white.